Hello, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. This Nakbasharaka, the eyes of the gods are not sleeping. Today, I talk to my fellow Sierra Leoneans concerning what they go on in our country and what be done they go on in our country. This is high time Sierra Leoneans, they will not accept like where we open the what we get, we politicians the what we get, the future, the icon the what we get in our country, then die. We all see Mamoda miserable. We see Papa Sheki then out and die. We see other presidents then great presidents then with the Mangai, the Mangai in the light of the Albert Mangai, Melty Mangai and other out and die. Other country that they're proud of former presidents. We no get one who they proud of. The only hope we don't left to we is Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma. Pakaba don't die. Solobi don't die. The only thing, the icon where we go see as former president of Salon is Ernest Bai Koroma. The Salon people them. Now Lord will not see them say out of greed, anger, jealousy, maliciousness. Dandy them back, go now we under carry them. That we all as citizens, as patriotic Sierra Leoneans, no, we not see them. We see them people then they image then they go down day by day. We see them people then they fight for bring them down day by day. Whose other presidents, former president will go boast of? If now we left Padandete, then can't kill this partner we am. Or we left Padandete, we can't kill this one yam back where we get. Now whose team will go point on per now? Now whose other president, former president will go boast with? Now always alone with former president then and they take because of the stress, the frustration, political intimidation. To we self forget bad that. To we self forget jealousy. To we self we get this still way in there inside we instinct malice. That's why we don't want with political opponents them for make them stay. We they suppress them until then get them then the passion. We all for TNAP, we all for watch this country. The only icon there will we get now. The only people will we get now. The only people that will the boast of now in terms of the mentors that will go watch into politics. Are the former president then? Are they for learn from? Are they for take them footsteps? Are they for let them for be we mentor? But here, because greed, hatred, badat, malice, grudge don't make we they see them people and they like enemies. We they see them people and they forward and die. We they see them people and they will not get any good plan for them because we they take them say now political opponents them do they take them say in live one like a anti to you, a live one like something way be say in day in not day in your favor. So because of that we return way out for bring them down, how for jail them, how for go lock them, how we foresee say them whip them out of this land. We see mostly Salon. Why? If we say the politicians them where they work for this country, now the more with the disgrace, now the more would they make. Shaki come, now the same thing. They overthrow and coup upon coup. Shaki. Momo come now so they overthrow and say this that. Why not APC leaders then forget e-lock? Why not APC leaders then they for overthrow? Why now them no more forget e-lock? Where they young them come, you see the country, then they make them peaceful, then pull them Kamajo, then pull everything, they all the peace. We other people they young time which at the time that they caught in them for try for bring them down, for try for kill them, for try for see say they not exist. All them things and they contribute for what we country go beyond day by day. And every day, every time, every minute, we they go down. Because we not get advisors them. We not get people the more we go to for where they able to give you constructive advice. Because all the people that were all with histories them, all the people that were all the secret places that we don't know about the country, we they try for kill them for let we shine. So how we expect say we country go grow? Because then thing then they all the help for una grow. If una get constructive advice, una get technical advisors there and other things, then they make us una one fall as a nation, una they try for grab. But if you then people then they know in will they fight against. How you expect? Mind you be president today, tomorrow you be former president. You go want the same treatment where then they give to the other person where then give to you. You go where then seize the property. You go where then go call it if man. You go want make them go lock in a cell. You go want to account now before anti-corruption. You go want make them shame and name you. You go want you name not for deep and good thing and so bad thing there. You go want where them molest you. You go where then seize the passport. You go where then seize everything about you. No. Let we take time as Sierra Leoneans. Let we take time, this malice and grudge, but that, dirty black, but that, don't they kill we nation. Don't they kill the fabric of this nation.